Welcome back to my channel Car Wassel. Today, we're taking a quick but comprehensive look at the all-new BMW i7. This electric luxury sedan is packed with power, elegance, and cutting-edge technology. Let's dive in. First, let's talk power. The BMW i7 features a dual-motor setup with a whopping 536 horsepower and 549 lb-ft of torque. It rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.5 seconds and offers a top speed of 130 miles per hour. With a 101.7 kilowatt-hour battery, you get up to 300 miles on a full charge, and DC fast charging gets you back to 80% in just 34 minutes. The exterior is a blend of sleek and futuristic. It boasts BMW's iconic illuminated kidney grille, adaptive LED headlights, and a smooth, aerodynamic profile. The large, aerodynamic wheels and the stylish rear LED taillights complete its sophisticated look. Step inside, and you're greeted by pure luxury. High-quality leather, wood, and metal accents define the space. The i7 seats 5 comfortably, with front seats offering heating, ventilation, and massage functions. The rear seats can include a reclining function with the executive lounge package. The BMW curved display integrates a 14.9-inch touchscreen with a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster. Powered by iDrive 8.0, it supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring seamless connectivity. The BMW i7 is loaded with advanced features. It includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera. The driving assistance professional package even offers hands-free driving on highways. Plus, enjoy a premium Bowers & Wilkins sound system, wireless charging, ambient lighting, and a panoramic sunroof. Starting at around $120,000, the BMW i7 is a significant investment but delivers unparalleled luxury and technology, making it a standout in the electric vehicle market. That's a quick tour of the BMW i7. If you enjoyed this overview, please like, comment, and subscribe for more automotive content. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.